Today we are going to review the product called Chatterpal. In a nutshell, Chatterpal is a software that combines industry-leading features like unlimited smart chat automation, talking 3D avatars, text-to-speech, one-click translation using artificial intelligence, which boost engagement, profit, conversion rates of your website. So without wasting any time, we will firstly find what Chatterpal can do for you. So, if you are running an e-commerce store or any online business, then Chatterpal software can be very useful to engage with your visitors with the help of Chatterpal Avatar. This feature is used to engage with visitors and ask sales-oriented questions. These avatar help your customer guide them to what they are looking for on your store through the buying process to complete the sale. This software uses the basic human psychology to build the engagement of your audience, which hit the conversion rate at faster level. Chatterpal is based on AI technology to interact with your sales page visitors, and it asks questions to your visitors, then guide them through entire process of completing the purchase. It is completely automated software which take appointment via your website, saving your and your staff work time on the phone, and it easily converts any green screen video into an interactive human chat agent in minutes. There are also other automatic features which are literally the perfect features to boost your conversion rate and profit. So if you want to know all the detailed information of all Chatterfile features, then please visit the link given in the description and feel free to check out. Okay, next is we will check out the best and most asked questions on Google about Chatterpal. So first will be, does Chatterpal works on mobile phones? Yes, of course. Yes, Chatterpal works on all computer, smartphones and smart devices, including iOS and Android, everything. Okay. Second is, what if I don't have a website to use Chatterpal? So this question seems illogical, but there is a perfect answer for this question, because using live link technology of Chatterpal, you can add Chatterpal to any website, including the website you don't own. Third is, why should I buy Chatterpal instead of any other software in 2021? And you can be the part of the profit generating through any other website by adding the Chatterpal. So, comparing to any other software in the online market, Chatterpal has amazing AI technology, features like 3D avatars, smart chat, automatic logo mapping, and many other AI technological features that make this software different from any other app in the online market. Fourth is, does Chatterpal include with commercial license? Yes, of course, yes. Chatterpal comes with the commercial license. Is step-by-step training included in Chatterpal for buyers? Yes, of course. Chatterpal comes with the step-by-step video training, walking you through the entire process right from creating your Chatterpal to getting results. So in conclusion, Chatterpal grabs and keeps your visitor attention, interact with them and get their important questions solved. It guides each customer to increase your conversion rate to a very high proportion. One thing I need to mention that in my opinion, Chatterpal software is the best software to boost your conversion rate, and I highly recommend you to buy this product. And also this product is still on demand in 2021 and it will continue to be in demand. So if you are deciding to check out or buy this product, then visit the link given in the description, and also don't forget to check out the bonuses that I have added in the link. So there are many videos which claim fake bonuses on this product, and if they are providing bonus, they will surely ask your personal information, and which I don't prefer to any of my viewers. Okay, so click on the given link in the description and I can guarantee you that you will surely be profitable. So at the end, thanks for watching and please share this video, and don't just think, just do it and take the action.